Let's start by reviewing the sounds from lesson 5. K, ah, k, ah. We also learned two words that have only one letter in them. Uh, I, uh, I. These are the new sounds for this lesson. Repeat after me. G, 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 g. Try to say the sounds before I do. G, k, k, g, g. First, say the sounds slowly, then say them fast. G, gut, g, et, get, g, gun, at, hat, it, hit, ot, hot, hut, k, in, kin. Kin means relatives. K, it, kit. This is a name. That's why it has a capital letter. K, en, ken. K, ept, kept. K, id, kid. Here's a test to see if you are ready for lesson 7. See if you can say all the sounds before I do. A, b, k, d, e, f, g, I, k, l, m, n, a, s, t, a, b, k, d, e, f, g, I, k, l, m, n, a, s, t, First, say the sounds slowly, then say them fast. B, an, ban. This is a name. That's why it has a capital letter. B, n, ben. B, in, bin. G, Ot, got. In, kin. G, et, get. At, hat. Ip, hip. Id, hid. Am, ham. Im, him. En, hen. G, odd, God. G, ig, gig. G, gum. Let's read the two words that have only one letter. Remember, this one has two pronunciations. A, I. En, hen. A hen is a female chicken. Red, red, hen. Red hen. I, got a red hen. I got a red hen. Og, dog. Add, bad. Og, dog. Bad dog. I add a bad dog. I had a bad dog. Gum. Red, red gum. Dog, add, had, red gum. A dog had red gum. Now we're going to read some nonsense words. These are fake words. Don't guess. Say the sounds slowly, then say them quickly. Op, gop. Ig, hig. Add, cad. Ed, head. Ock, hawk. Ilp, kilp. Am, gam. If, hif. Ilm, pilm.